Good. Thank you. Who said actually? Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Even I don't know. That supposed to be done automatically. Hmm. All right. Hmm. Till here we done actually. Come on. I just wanted to hear you from your side. What is the first one? Pandas introduction. From the pandas introduction, we understand very clearly. It's a very simple. Pandas having data structures. Pandas having what exactly? Data structures like a Python. The purpose of data structure is storing the data, processing the data. That's it. Apart from that, nothing actually. Good. There are mainly three data structures. First one is a series data frame panel. Good. And from the topic number one, you need to understand how to install pandas actually. How to install pandas, sir? Pip install? Good. Next one, series introduction. Simple. Series is a single column storage object. What is that one? Single column storage. Very good. None value. Sometimes during data collection, best example today also, these two chairs are missing. Means during data collection, data can be missed. That is a very common scenario. The missing values are representing with NaN. Talk with me. What is that one? NaN. Keep in mind that. Next one, series attribute. Sir, listen carefully. When I was discussing about the Python, I used to highlight about the methods. I used to highlight about what exactly? In a Python classes, mainly knowing and understanding learning methods is important. But when it comes to know pandas actually, pandas also having classes. Pandas also having what exactly? These classes having mainly two things actually. First one is attribute, second one is method. Talk with me. First one is attribute, second one method. The purpose of attribute is get the information. Purpose of attribute is what exactly? Get the information. Best example, if you're asking my name, what is your name, you're asking about my attribute actually. If you're asking about my age, you're asking about attribute, you're asking the information. Now I am walking, action, method. I am talking, action, method. You can recognize slowly by slowly. Good. Attribute returns information. Attribute returns information. Method perform. Very good. One more time. Nice, sir. Nice quotation actually. Attribute returns information. Method perform. Very nice, sir. Good. Next one we have data frame introduction also. Simple. When I'm talking about the data frame introduction, data frame having columns and rows. Data frame having what exactly? Something like a tabular data. What data? Table data. Loading the file, interesting topic. I have explained how to load a file actually. We do have a CSV file, JSON file, Excel file. These are all files how to load. I already explained actually. Among all these things, the very important file, CSV file. What is that one? What is the function to load the file actually? Read underscore CSV. We do have a CSV file. If you wanted to load, import pandas as a PD, df equals to pd dot read underscore. By this time, you should know this step. If you don't know this one means, I'm sorry. You cannot understand pandas actually. I'm sorry for telling you directly. Okay. Next one, as usual, a data frame also having the attributes and methods. Attributes performs, attribute returns information, method perform operation. Good. Next one, renaming column. Very good. We have loaded the file. We got a data frame. Now let us apply operations one by one. First operation will be, I do have a name of the columns A, B, C. Instead of A, B, C, can I change with the proper name? We can change. Here we need to use a method. Method name is called as a rename. In this chapter, we understand how to rename column, how to rename index. Am I right? How to rename column, how to rename index. Good. Next one, in place parameter. Let me talk with you in a straight away. Sir, rename method, there are few methods. Returns new object. Returns what exactly? Let me tell you. Assuming that you have taken the CSV file, you are loading into pandas, then 100 GB object created. How much GB? Over this object, you just applied small operation. You are changing small single column actually. Again, it will create new object. That object having what is the size? Again 100 GB. Here total what is the GB? 200 GB. Just because of small operation, one more object is created. I don't want to create a new object. Instead of that one, I wanted to perform changes on existing object. I don't want to create a new object. Instead of creating new object, I wanted to perform changes on what exactly? Existing object. Then you can go for in place. Very nice. Is it helpful, the revision? See, just 5 minutes actually. Handling missing value. Yeah. During data collection, missing the data is a very common scenario. So data can be missed in a very common actually. First time once we loaded the file, we need to apply small sanity check like what is the information, shape, columns, head, tile, info. These are all common operation. Next, immediately the major operation is a checking the missing value. What is the major operation? Yeah. So as usual, I'm telling, sir, here always method works. If you wanted to become very good in data science, understand the methods. Understand what exactly? That's it. Apart from that, nothing. If you wanted to become master in data science, understand the methods. Only with my experience, I'm telling. Right? Keep in mind that. How to check the missing values by using isNA. What is the method? IsNA. We can check that one. Whenever you are calling isNA, it returns boolean value, but I don't want boolean value. I need column wise count. Then isNA dot sum, df dot isNA dot sum, and handling missing value. There are three ways I explained actually. First one is drop NA, next one is fill NA, next one is replace. Drop NA, I need one word. No mercy. What is that one? No mercy, actually. Yeah, good. Next one is what exactly? Fill in here, replace. Selection. I mean to say that we can select the data by using LOC and ILOC. Next one, filtering. We can apply filtering over the data frame. There are mainly two ways. First one is a conditional. I'm sorry. First one is relational operator. Two ways. Single condition, multiple condition. One more time. Single condition, multiple. Second one is LOC and ILOC. Yeah, filtering also we done. Next one is sorting. Yeah, there is a method. Method name is a sort underscore values, sort underscore index, like this. By this time, if anyone is asking regarding the pandas, you need to talk like this, right? Prepare like that. On an average, just we spend 8 minutes actually. On an average, 8 minutes we spend. I give a small kick revision, right? You also be in the same position actually. Guys, are you clear? Good man. Now let us start today's discussion. Group by screen stick. Okay. One of our teammate is facing screen issue. What about others? Online team. Harish, are you still facing the same issue? Hello, Harish sir. Are you facing still actually? Seems to be not facing any issue. Harish, kindly please rejoin if you're still facing any issue. Thank you. Let's move on. So today topic name is a group by, which is very interesting, and you can literally enjoy the topic actually. Get ready to understand. Let me give a small quick introduction regarding the group by. Sir, group by means grouping the data. Group by means what exactly? Grouping the data. Damn sure interview question, and in every real-time project, this topic we are using actually. The topic name is a group by. Good. Let us take a students. Total how many students? 100 actually. If I'm speaking about the 100 students, we can apply what exactly, group by. We can group by the student based on gender. That is a one type of group by. Next one, based on education. Based on what exactly? Education. Next one, based on location. Based on what exactly? Location. Based on university. Based on what exactly? Arey man, you can do a lot actually. Whenever you are applying group by, you will get lot of information. Indirectly, pin to pin, you will understand. Everything you will understand actually. Sir, there is never ending process like this up to you. Based on requirement, you can, am I right or not, sir? I hope you know this one. Good. One type of grouping, one type of grouping, that this is one of the type actually. I am just trying to applying group by over 100 members based on gender actually, assuming that 60 members gents and 40 members ladies actually. Another type of grouping the data. What is this one? Based on gender and what exactly? Education. Okay, boys 60 members, right? And can I still apply one more group by B Tech 40 members BSc? What exactly? Yesterday I explained this one, I hope you understand. Yeah, here also based on what exactly? Sir, talk with me. Based on one more time. Last time. All right, let's move on. Next one, let me take a small data set. When I'm talking about this data set, customer and product, customer Daniel, Samsung, till to the last customer Harshini, OnePlus mobile. These are all who are all customer bought their mobiles actually. Now, over this one, you can apply group by. Group by based on customer, group by based on product. Let me show you. First one, based on customer, based on what exactly? Let me tell you one important point. Sir, if you're taking this column, what column actually? Customer. If you're trying to apply group by over the customer column, first of all, it will grab the unique values. What it will grab actually? Now just try to see in the given result, Daniel, how many times it is available? One time. But previously, how many times it is available? Two times. Keep in mind that whenever you are applying group by, first it will filter the unique result. First it will filter what exactly? Unique value. Okay, Daniel, Samsung, Daniel, Samsung. Let us make it this one is a unique actually. Samsung, Redmi. Simple. Did you understand? Same thing like that. This is based on customer. Next one is based on what exactly? Product. Based on what exactly? Product. As I told you, first of all, it will grab what exactly? Unique. Now, if you want, you can look at this one. Samsung, iPhone 11, Redmi, OnePlus actually. Seriously, very good. I hope I need to, yeah. This one also important. Here onwards important. If anyone didn't attend yesterday, kindly please focus on here actually. Important. Group by introduction. Group by is very common and important operation in a data analysis. Whenever you are talking about the group by, backend there are mainly three operations are happening. How many operations are happening? Three operations. Let me explain. The very first step is splitting the data. Very first step is what exactly? Splitting the data. Second one is apply the operation. Second one is what exactly? Apply the operation. Fourth one is combining the result. What is the fourth one? Combining the result. Good. Sir, if you are having the data, from the data is being getting splitting. Data is being getting what exactly? Splitting. Finally, applying what exactly? Operation. Then finally, we are getting combined result. I just wanted to hear from you. First one is a data. Next one is splitting the data. Very good. Splitting the data. Next one is apply operation. Apply what exactly? Operation. The two aggregate operation. I will tell you what do you mean by this. Aggregate operations actually. Once we applied operation, then we'll get a combined result. What result? Combined result. Important, sir. This is a bit important actually. Please focus. Yeah, I hope you understand. Let us take this diagram. I would like to say this one is, I would like to say this is the data. Key. Assume in that name of the product. A is the name of the product. 0 is the how many times it's sold out actually. How many products sold out. A 0 times. Next one. A 5 times. Assume that this is Monday sales 0. Monday A product 5 times. Tuesday A product how many times? 10 times actually. If you have given this data, seems to be small scale data only, but still we are struggling. Where are all A is available? One place, to second place, third place. On an average, it has taken 2 to 3 seconds actually. Now let us just try to, if you apply group by over this one, first of all, what happened? Where are all A is available with A separate data set, and where are all B is available separate data set, separate data frame, something like this. Whenever you are applying group by, first what happens? Splitting the data. What happens, sir? Splitting the data. Very good. Now after splitting, applying operation is a very easy. Yeah, what you wanted to apply, sum you wanted to apply, right? Over this one sum it will happen, over this one sum happens, over this one sum happens actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Then finally we are going to get what exactly? Combined result. This diagram is a bit important. Let me drink water. Important. Please focus. Good. One more point yesterday I told, I guess. Yeah, this one again. Let me repeat one more time. Sir, df.head method returns data frame. Returns what exactly? Data frame. Yeah, single result. Df.tail method. Df. What exactly? Tail method returns what exactly? Data frame only. No doubt in that. Good. If you want to go back, go to the Python length function. Length what exactly? Function returns integer. Returns what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? I hope you know this one actually. Now next one. This is important. Df dot group by, df dot what exactly? Group by, very, very important, sir. Look at me. Head method, return type is a data frame. Tail method, return type is data frame. But group by, return type method is what exactly? No, returns group by object. What is this one, sir? Group by object, actually. Group by object. I will tell you. First of all, don't get a confused. Sir, here also group by, here also group by. What it mean? I will tell you. If you want, let me show you small example actually. Look at me, please. How they implemented, Method name. Also, they have given group by inside data frame. Inside data frame actually. Method name. What name actually? Method name is a group by. Method name is what exactly, sir? Group by. Very good. In pandas, there is a one class. In pandas, there is a one class. That class name is a group by. Class name is what exactly? Understand. No confusion. When I'm talking about the group by is a method in where exactly? Data frame. And when I say group by class belongs to what exactly? Pandas only. Did you understand? If you didn't understand this point also, no worries, sir. Let us move on to the discussion. Now, I just wanted to hear from you. There are 2 points. There are 2 important points I wanted to cover. What is the first point? Yeah, I just wanted to hear from you group by flow. I just wanted to hear from you group by what exactly? Flow. First one is a data. Next one is, tell me, sir. Splitting the data. Very good. Next one is apply operations. Very good. Next one, combined result. What result actually? Combined result. Very, very important, sir. Please focus. Right. I would like to say step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. 4 actually. Very good. Next one. This is called as a group by flow. Next one is, what is the next point? Sorry. Group by method. Group by method returns group by object. What object actually? Group by object actually. These 2 points, remember. Now I'm entering into the examples. Online team, are you ready? Can I get a response? Online team, please, 1 minute. Talk with me. Online team. No response, sir. Only Srikant, Sriram. What about others? On an average, 40 plus members joined actually. Raise your hand. How many of you sleeping? Hmm. Let's move on. Yeah, now read this one. For example, if you're applying group by on product name, then it returns data into based on name of the product. Actually, ignore this sentence. Group by method returns. I hope you understand. I'm highlighting this example. You can ignore actually. Now we are entering into the example, sir. Are you ready? Yeah, very interesting, sir. Group by, as usual. Group by is a predefined method in a data frame. Same Sodhi. In Telugu, there is a popular word actually. If you're telling again and again same thing, there is a very nice keyword actually. That keyword name is called as a Sodhi. What is that one? Sodhi. Please don't call that one. That is indirectly scolding word actually. I'm kidding. Group by is a predefined method in a data frame. We would access this method by using data frame object. This method returns group by object. Come on, come on. Now look at the output. Look at the output actually. Yeah, there are 2 columns. There are how many columns? 2 columns. First column name is, first of all, that is a data frame. Am I right? Data frame. Product is a column name. Orders is the column name. How many rows? Sir, 7 actually. Why not 8 actually? Tell me. Header is not countable. Why not 3 columns? Index is not countable. Sir, by this time you have to remember actually. Come on. When you're talking about the data frame, keep in mind 2 point actually. Header is not countable. What is that one? Countable for rows actually. Am I right? Next one. Index is not countable. Tell me. For columns, please. You have to remember this one. You know? Product. Next one is the name. Product. Next one is customer name. Or else orders. Good. Orders actually. Let me tell you. Just let me take one small thing. Samsung on an average 10 orders. iPhone iPhone on an average 20 orders. Next one is so Google Mobile, Google Phone, Google Phone 30 sales actually. Now can somebody help me? Next one is again Samsung 45. How many columns, sir? Tell me. You have to talk with me. How many columns? Two columns actually. Only two columns. Two columns only. Two columns only, but not. Yeah, three. So why I'm saying three actually? Any idea? Here is we can still take. What is that one actually? Any idea? Zero, one, two, three. Am I right or not, sir? Now tell me how many rows actually? One, two, three, four, but not five actually. Am I right or not, sir? You know, four rows only. What is that one, sir? Four rows only. But always try to represent rows should be first, column should be what exactly? Next actually. Anyway, this is small kind of information. I no need to highlight this point actually. Come on. Let us try to create a data frame like this. Samsung, how many, sir? Okay, good. How many times it came actually? Four times. Actually. Total, what is the Samsung? Sir, I am already weak in math actually. Okay, if you are telling someone 10, 13, 14, I need to take my calculator actually. Are you fine? Yeah, Samsung how many? 15. Nokia how many? 10. Motorola? Good. You know what? Even it has taken some time, right? But if you apply group by something like this, very easy actually. Let us just try to apply. First of all, let me create a data frame. Get ready. I'm creating a data frame by using what topic? Any idea? Did you remember in 1947 I covered one topic actually. The topic name is a we can create a data frame by using dictionary. By using dictionary. Yeah. Let me write an example very quickly. Sorry. We are not. We are using Notepad. Notepad only, right? Notepad plus. Also, let me introduce for you. This is dictionary. Okay. Mm. Save this one as a demo1.py. All files. Come here, programs you can save here actually. If you want, take these are all things, create a small list. Control X. I would like to create here. Prods equals to P equals to, yes, we can create like this, and orders equals to Control X, and come here, O equals to orders. Now here what we need to provide? P. Here what we need to provide? O. Very good. Yeah, just like we are concising the code. Very simple. Come on, let's move on. Simple, we created a data frame. Can I run this one? Are you ready? Come on. Yeah. Good. Data frame created successfully. Let's move on. Creating data frame like this, we already well known, but this is not today topic actually. Today topic is a group by. Let us understand how to apply group by over this data actually. Now get ready. Let us play with this data frame. Hold on, just for some time. I just wanted to know total rows and columns. Shape nice. Let us just try to understand shape. I just wanted to access information. df1.info. df1. What exactly? Info. I just wanted to understand top 5 rows. Head method. Last 5 rows. Good. Then you guys are up to day 2 in preparation. Very nice. Now I'm going to apply group by. Sir, here the important topic is understanding the syntax is really important. What is important? Syntax. Try to understand the syntax actually. Good. Now keep in mind that what exactly I'm trying to explain. First of all, would you have a data frame? Would you have what exactly? Over this one, we are trying to applying group by. Over this one, we are trying to applying what exactly? Group by method. Now you talk with me. If I apply group by method, what we are going to get actually? Tell me. Yeah, very good. Group by what exactly? Object. Group by what exactly? Object. Then though this is object, over this one you can apply one more method, then we'll get a, this method is nothing but a apply operation. Apply what exactly? Operation. Over this one, we can apply method, then we'll get a final result. We'll get what exactly? Final result. Let me talk with you one more time. Let me repeat one more time. Sir, first of all, we do have a data frame. Over that one, we are applying group by method. Yes, we are applying group by method. Then it will return group by object. It will return what exactly? Though this is object, we can apply one more method. You can apply what exactly? This is called as a method chaining. This is called as what exactly? Easy, very easy. Right. Stick with the syntax. I will tell you slowly by slowly. Now come here as usual. I'm sure till here you know very well actually. Now let us just try to execute this line. Let us just try to execute this line actually. I will show you practically. Now first of all, let me print the data frame. What is the data frame name, sir? Can I make it like a df actually? Can I make it like only df? It is okay. Are you ready? Good. Let me print this data frame. Let me print this data frame. Perfect. Good. Then let us apply group by. Let us apply what exactly? Over this data frame, we are applying group by. I just wanted to apply based on product, like a previously based on customer, based on product we applied. Am I right or not, sir? Are you with me? Good. I'm just trying to calling group by method. Now you have to keep in mind one point actually. Whenever we are applying group by method, can somebody talk with me? What is this object? What is this object? Group by object. That point you need to understand. If you want, give this one as a some G. Anything is fine actually. Or else some A. Anything is fine. Now let me print. Let me print A actually. Let me print what exactly? Yeah. I mean, if you want A equals to df dot head method. A equals to what exactly? Df dot head method. What is the result, sir? Tell me. Tell me. Come on. Very nice. Very nice. Let me show you that one actually. Head method returns top 5 rows. Tail method returns what exactly? Last 5 rows. Now that statement let me prove practically. Let us apply group by method. What method? Group by method actually. Let me show you that one actually. Okay. Whenever you are applying group by method over the object actually, over this data frame, what it can be? One more time. Last time. Let me run this one. Perfect, sir. I hope you understand actually. What object actually? Group by object. Like this. Proving technically, this means more confidence is really required actually. Conclusion of the story. Go back. Yesterday, I roar like a dog actually. What is the point, you know? Just try to please observe this one. Head method. Return type is a data frame. Tail method. Return type is a data frame. Group by method. Return type is a group by object. Now, this is the technical proof. We are applying group by method over the data frame. We are getting what exactly? Data frame object. What data frame object? Group by object. What object? Group by. But let me tell you, this is just knowing is important, not that much important. Did you understand? Yeah, good. What exactly happened, you know, sir? If you want, I will give, I don't know, I'm feeling more sense actually. Assuming that this is data frame. This what exactly? Data frame. This is data frame. Over this data frame, we are applying group by method. What method? Group by method. I would like to say this is the data frame object. Sir, whenever you are applying group by method over that one, it is returning one more object. This object name is called as a group by object. What object actually? Group by object. Now I hope you understand very clearly, sir. Am I right? Good. Keep in mind that. Good. Now what you can do, you know, over this object, if you want, you can apply. I mean, anyway, this is object, right? This what exactly? Object. Over this one, if you want, you can apply method. Method name is a sum. Method name is what exactly? Sum. Now just try to see the result actually. Oh, what a nice result, sir. I hope you understand. Good. First, I'm printing the data frame. Now, this is the result coming from group by method. Coming from what exactly? Group by method. Good. We are simply applying group by over the product. Then it is giving another object actually. Over that object, we are calling what method? Sum method. What method? Now look at the result actually. Okay. And what we are applying product, then automatically in a result that name will come actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now Motorola, how many it is available? For sum means it will sum up all values actually. Cumulative sum. What sum? Cumulative sum. Nokia, how many times? 10. If you want, you can calculate manually. 4 plus 6. Samsung, how many times? 15. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus these two, 10, 15 total actually. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you understand very clearly. Now, the same example, I wanted to write one more in front of you. Sir, I need your help, sir. Without your help, I cannot do anything actually. Instead of creating like this, can we create one CSV column, CSV file in front of you? Are you ready? Let me create one CSV file. That file we can load, sir. What is the first name of the column we can give? Can somebody help me? First name of the column? Product and orders. Okay. Product and orders. Comma. What is that one? Comma. What is the first one actually? Samsung. Next one is Samsung. What is the value? 2. Next one is a Nokia. Good. Come on, come on. Let us do quickly. Provide what exactly? Comma. Next one is what exactly? Samsung 3. Hold on. Please be patient. See, in front of you, let me create a CSV file. Motorola. Motorola. Next one is a Nokia. Did I miss anything? Okay, good. Now 7 and 3. Take the same thing. 7, 3. Change, sir. 7. This what exactly? Successfully we created a CSV file. How to save this one as a CSV file? You know, Control S. And now this file you can say sales 100.csv. What is the file? Sales 100.csv. I'm saving. Go to the all files. Save inside in programs. Yeah, successfully file is created, sir. Come here. Yeah, file is created. Now here onwards, can I load this file actually instead of creating with the dictionary? Are you ready? Sir, are you ready? Let us load with this file. Let us load this file actually. Close this one. Good. Yeah, I just wanted to load that file. What is the file name? We created, right? We can understand very clearly. I wanted to hear from you. Tell me. Import pandas as a PD. 1 minute. Did you understand why I created a CSV file? Because creating a data frame by using dictionary very odd. I mean, it is taking a lot of code actually. Keys, values, again values will be list actually. Instead of that, I dump all data in a file. Let us load the file actually. Good. Now tell me df equals to pd dot read underscore csv sales 100 dot. Very good. Let us load what exactly? Data frame. Just try to see, sir. The result will be. Get ready to enjoy the result. Perfect. We got it actually. Now my requirement will be, I just wanted to apply, assuming that this is the total, what I can say, you know, this is total last 3 or 4, last week business, sir. This is what exactly? Last week business. And Amazon owner is asking, I just wanted to know total how many orders for each product wise, how product wise orders. What is that one? Product wise orders. Now just try to come here, get product wise. What wise actually? Product wise orders actually. Now Amazon owner is asking, I mean to say that Samsung total how many? I would like to say total how many? Total how many? Next mobile, you know, total how many? Next product, total how many? Like this he is asking. If he is asking immediately, how to map to group by? You have to map to what exactly? Group by actually. Yes, are you getting? Good. Let me ask you one more question. What is the question? You know, Amazon owner is asking not a product wise, he's asking total how many sales. Then what we need to do? Perfect, sir. Perfect actually. You are connected. How to apply some? Do let me know. Df dot, tell me, orders dot. Very nice, sir. Let us apply that one first of all. Let us apply actually. Very good. Df dot. Otherwise, here you can keep actually orders dot. Very nice. This is the total products sold out actually. Okay. Last week. Total how many? 29. But now Amazon owner is asking, hey, I don't want total, I need product wise, I need what wise actually. Then what we need to do, let us apply group by. Let us apply what exactly, sir? Group. Let me show you how to apply. Simple, very simple. Get ready. Are you ready? Yeah. First of all, df dot group by. Df dot what exactly? Group by. Syntax matters. What matters? In between group by, create a list of single value. List of what value? Single value. What owner want actually? Product wise. What owner wants actually? Then here you need to provide product name of the column. Repeating again, group by is a method. Method returns one object. Method returns what exactly? Then left side you need to assign with one variable. Left side you need to assign with what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? Are you getting? Good. Can somebody talk with me? This object is what object actually? Nice. I hope I know. This is second time I'm doing revision actually. Why? Because it's a bit important actually. Good. If you want, let us print A. Let us print what exactly? A actually. What you done, Amazon Warner is asking, hey, apply product wise sales actually, product wise sum actually. Then immediately you apply group by, and without checking the result, you are not running the program. You call to the client and you are showing your screen actually. Then you told client, are you ready? You asked a question. He told, yes, I am ready. Then you hit enter button. Then client will get surprise actually. What is the result? Group by. Then immediately you may shake a moment. First of all, if you wanted to present the result, be confirm. Run one time actually. Why? Because everything is valid only. What you are applying is everything is a valid. One more step is pending. That step you need to understand. Over this one, what I need to apply, sir? Can somebody tell me? Some. Did you understand? Means over this object, we are calling one more method. Over this object, we are calling group by method. Did you understand? This is method chaining, sir. This is what exactly? Method. Did you understand? Super, sir. I hope you connected actually. 2 times I explained this example. Only in my need response. How many times I explained? 2 times. Can I explain one more time? If can I explain one more time? Yeah, not required actually. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Get the number of products and dates actually. Wow. So here onwards, one more file is coming. Are you ready? One more file is coming. What is the file name? Sales5.cs. Very good. Get ready. Okay. So let me not enter into that. Sales 5, right? What is the file name, sir? First of all, I will open in front of you and I will show you so that you will get a clear picture. Get ready. Sales 5. Open this. Let us understand the data. 1 minute. This is the sales 5. Good. Sir, I do have a good experience. I work like a Java developer, big data developer, and currently working as a data scientist. Whenever you are working in a Java developer, you should be master in Java. Whenever you are working as a big data developer, you should be working in you should be master in a big data tools like a Hadoop, PySpark, Spark. These are all things actually. But whenever you are working with data science, first point, be master in understanding the data. Be master in what exactly? Understanding the data means it's very simple. Open the data, cross verify what is there. You have to understand. Why? Because once client have given the requirement, next time there is a meeting. Before, I mean to say that, assuming that Monday client have given the requirement. At the same time, next day you have to arrange one meeting. Actually, it's a kind of reverse engineering. You need to explain what you understand. Then you have to talk about the data. Assuming that client have given the requirement. Client given this file actually. Client is not asking any requirement. Now this file I got it on Monday. Then I need to arrange a meeting on Tuesday. Then I need to talk like this. Hey client, Total, how many columns would you have? Talk with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. 6 columns would you have. Next one seems to be this file is related to e-commerce domain. What domain actually? Can I say that one? That one also one information, sir. Can I say this file is belongs to healthcare dataset actually? No. Can I say telecom dataset? No. Can I say insurance dataset? No. When you jump into the dataset, you will understand what dataset it is actually. Every point you need to talk. Total, how many rows would you have? How many columns would you have? This is e-commerce related dataset, something like this actually. Good. What is the first column name, sir? Tell me. Order ID, customer ID, mail ID, product name, product cost. Next one is what exactly? Wow. What are the new columns added actually? Mail ID. Next one is date. Very good. These two columns added actually. Are you ready? Yeah. Total how many rows, sir? Total how many rows actually? 15 actually. Am I right? Good. Now just minimize this one. Let me open in a notepad plus so that you can easy to understand. Suddenly client is asking, hey, this is the data set, right? I just wanted to know based on customer wise, based on what exactly? Previously, based on product wise, you are explaining, right? Now, based on customer wise, I mean to say that Nirikshan, how many times is available? How many times is available? Tell me, sir. Are you sure? Tell me. Very good. Let me just try to click on this one. Very simple, actually. It is highlighting actually. How many times is available? 4 times. Means client is asking Nirikshan how many times done the transaction. Next one, Kedar how many times? Don't ask, click on Kedar actually. Tell me. 3. Okay. 3. Very good, sir. Next one. What is the next one? Daniel, how many times? 3 times. Like this. First requirement. Apply group by based on customers. Apply group by based on one group by operation. Now, next group by operation, you suggest me. What group by operation? Based on? Very good, sir. Based on what exactly? Product. What is the product actually? Do let me know. Samsung. Now, you tell me Samsung how many times is available? Hey, stop. Did you understand everyone? Sir, seriously tell me. Are you getting? Yeah, very good. Samsung how many times it is available? On an average, 16 rows would you have? We are struggling. Am I right? Sir, think about 16 petabyte of the data. 16 crores. Crores of crores data. Just apply group by fraction of seconds will get there. That's the beauty with the data science. That's the beauty with what exactly? Data science. Click on Samsung. How many times? 3 times. iPhone, how many times? That to 8 actual. I mean, iPhone 9 is only one product. iPhone 8 is how many? Yeah. Now we are going to apply group by over this data set. First of all, always open the data set, understand the data set. Spend some time. In a real time, if I get any requirement actually, I will ask to the client, don't give any requirement, give me 2 to 3 days. How many days actually? 2 to 3 days. Now once I definitely client will give, once I get a time 2 to 3 days, now I will go to the client with report actually. What is the report? Are boss, we have given this data, total these rows would you have, these many column. Instead of client supposed to tell, but I am telling actually. Why? Because you should be master in pandas. If you are very good in pandas, sir, client no need to explain. 70% you can finish by applying the operations actually. By applying what exactly? Are you getting? Let me talk with online team. Online team, come on, sir. Are you with me? Get ready. Whatever the file it is. What is the first operation? Any idea? Very good. What is the first operation? Load the file. How to load actually? Import. At least this line you tell me, sir. Import pandas as PD. Very good. Pandas as what exactly? PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. What is the file name? Sales 5. Yeah, good. CSV. Now print df. Very good. Let us just try to run this one. Yeah. Very nice, sir. Data frame looks pretty good actually. Compared to the CSV file. If I see data frame, I feel more comfortable actually. Get ready. Let us try to apply all operations actually. Good. Get ready. What is the first operation? Get the number of products on date actually. Okay. Get the number of products on what exactly? Dates. Even you can ignore this point. Here onwards, let me show you the output first actually. Let me show you what exactly? Output first. Good. Just try to get this program. Look at the output, sir. What happened? You need to tell me. Group by based on mail ID. Can I say customer? I am repeating again. Can I say customer actually? We can say. Why? Because based on mail ID only, we need to apply group by, but not based on customer name, but not based on what exactly? Customer name actually. Good. Now, Daniel, how many times available? 3 times. Kedar, how many times? 3 times. Nirikshna, how many times? This is the one report actually. Customer wise report on an average. Okay, good. Take this one. Sir, from this report, we can understand one point actually. Who done minimum transactions actually? Tell me. Who done minimum transaction? Shahid sir. Okay, Shahid actually. Shahid sir. Come again. Yeah, Parth also. Very good, very good. There are two customers. First one is a Shahid sir. Next one is a Parth actually. Partha. Very good. Who done maximum transaction? Without looking the data, you can tell. My name actually. What is that one? My name actually. How many times? That one also one report. Why client is asking, who done minimum transaction, who done maximum transaction? 2 times how many done actually? 3 times how many done, sir? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Like this, you can get these all information actually. Get ready. How to apply, you need to tell actually. Come on, simple, sir. What exactly we are applying, df1 dot group by. Here, what we are giving? Mail ID. What we are giving? Previously, sum operation. Previously, I just wanted to sum with all value actually. But here, what method actually? Size. What method? Previously, what method? Now, what method? Very good. Come here, get ready. I just wanted to apply. A equals to df dot. First of all, apply group by. Apply what exactly? Group by. Here, what I need to provide? Mail ID. Come here, mail ID. Boys, please don't reply actually. Madam, kindly please reply actually. Anyone. If I'm printing A, what is the result we are going to get? What object? One more time, please. Group by object. Very good. I mean to say that what exactly we done, very nice, sir. Over the data frame, over what exactly? Data frame, we are applying the group by, and here syntax matters. What matters? That column name you need to specify at any cost actually. Stop, hold on. Hey, can I provide 2 columns? Sir, let me explain one by one. Let me explain what exactly? One by one actually. Are you getting? Good. Now here, over this one, first of all, take this result. You can just try to get this one. And get the output actually. Print the output also. Now, one small information. What is that information, First of all, don't try to read and mug up this answer actually. Not required. But instead of that one, you have to read only what is this one? Group by object. What object? Group by object actually. I mean, take the same thing. You can still tell something like, take this one and keep on group by object. What object actually? Group by object. Backend, it means to say that so and so class which is available in so and so package, and this is the object created in this address actually. Created in what exactly? That much information it is having, but you need to understand. Come on. Here what I need to apply, sir? Tell me. Size. What method? Size method actually. Keep in mind that. Let me ask a question. How many functions? 2 functions. Very good. Tell me. Read underscore CSU. Next one. Print. How many methods? 2 methods. What are those methods? Group by. Next one. Size. How can you say size is a method? Because calling with object name. Am I right? Good. How can you say group by is a method? Calling with object. What object? Team, are you getting? Yeah, let's run this one. Such a nice report, sir. Seriously, very nice report actually. Now just try to come here. Now this is the exact result actually. This is what exactly? Exact result. Now, very nice. Whenever you're calling size returns series object. What object? series object. Here what you are asking, are boss, based on mail id size, I need something like a size means how many number of times it is repeated actually. Yeah, it is telling Daniel 3 times actually. Automatically it will done the count actually, 1 2 3 something like this. Go back if you want, let me open the data set. Yeah, Daniel, how many, what is the first result, sir? Talk with me. First result is a 3. Click on the Daniel. If you want cross verify, how many times? 3 times. Next one is a Kedar. Click on this Kedar actually. 3 times. Yes, matching. Next one is a Nirikshan. Where is Nirikshan actually? Yeah, here it is. How many times? 4 times. One more point you need to understand. One more point. Look at me. What is the first record? Nirikshan. But in result, what is the first record? Why? Very good. Somebody already respond. Alphabetical order. What order? Whenever you are applying group by over this string, size method or any other method, it always returns alphabetical order. What order? Did you understand? Good man. Yeah. Next one. Next one. Look at the output. Look at what exactly output actually. Don't look at the program. Why? Because group by first understand the output actually. Uh, what is this one? Any Kindle Paperwhite? Do you know about this one? Kindle Paperwhite actually. Anyone knows? Okay. First of all, let me tell you. Samsung is a device. Samsung, what exactly? Mobile device. Am I right? Mobile device. I do have a Kindle device. Next one is iPhone also. iPhone also mobile device. iPhone also what exactly? Mobile device. There is a Kindle, Kindle reader actually. This is called as a device only, but this is using for reading purpose. What purpose? Reading purpose. Let me show you. This we can get only in Amazon. We can get in what exactly? Only in Amazon. Only in what exactly? Amazon. Let me show you. Open Google. Kindle Paperwhite. Click on this one. Go to the Amazon. This is called as a product. This is called as what exactly, sir? Product. You can load the PDF or else by default a Kindle app is available. You can get the books actually. It's a kind of you can feel something like a book reading only, black and white actually. Are you getting? No need to buy, but this is called as a. I like this product. I already having actually. That's what a Kindle Paperwhite. How many? 3. Go back, cross verify. Really 3. Where Kindle, sir? Where Kindle? Product name. Yeah, Kindle. How many? Wow, 3. Come here. What is the next one? LG washing machine. Click on LG washing machine. Where is LG, sir? Sir, somebody help me with the specs actually. LG washing. No, only one product, sir. Only what exactly? One product actually. Yeah, one only. Samsung, how many? 3. iPhone 9, how many? Such a nice, sir. Go back and check the code actually. Are you ready? Yeah, now just try to see. Check like this. Group by product name, size. Sir, can I say same thing like a previous example? Copy paste. Only one thing is changed. What is that one? That's it. That's it actually. Previously, go back and here what would you have? Mail ID. Now what would you have? Apart from that, nothing. That point you need to understand. Take this one and you can just try to come here. Let us just try to apply. That's it. Second example also done. Let me run this output. Wow. This is customer wise sales. This is product wise sales. First one is what exactly? Customer wise sales. Next one is a product wise sales actually. Are you getting your one? Good. I hope you're getting. Good. Now, one question I will ask actually. Get ready. One question I will ask. What is the question? Go back. What is the customer name here actually? Tell me. Daniel. Instead of customer ID, I can take a customer name. Instead of customer ID, I can take a customer name. Why I didn't take customer name here actually? Any idea? Think it's okay. You can take 1 or 2 minutes actually. See, here I can take customer name, but instead of customer name, I have taken customer ID. Why? Mail ID I have taken. Why? Excellent, sir. Very good answer actually. The point will be, sir, do you think in this universe only one Daniel is available? No, sir. Many Daniels actually. Assuming that this is my mail ID. Daniel 123, another person mail ID. Daniel 345, another person mail ID actually. Did you understand? Data understanding. Whenever you are jumping into the data, during that time you will understand these are all discussion actually. Are you getting? Sir, are you with me? Good. First example. What is the first example? Customer wise transactions. Second example, product wise transaction. What is the maximum product sold out actually? Three products. What is the first one? Kindle Paperwhite. Next one, Samsung. Next one, iPhone 8. What is the minimum products? One, two, three. Three products actually. Tell me. LG washing machine, Samsung, sofa set, iPad. Two products. Two products. How many, sir? Only one. What is that one? HTC Mobile. Very good. I hope you're getting. Come on. If you understand the example, that is fine, sir. Let's move on. It's very easy. Mm, I'm 1 minute. What you guys need to do is, sir, this is seriously amazing output actually. Previously, we got it based on customer name, based on product name. Now we are getting what exactly, based on date and product name. Based on what exactly? Date and product name actually. Good. Look at the output actually. You can easy to understand. It's very easy, sir. Whenever you are giving the interview, good, Dinesh. Dinesh, be clear with the concepts, be clear with what exactly concept. And while attending interview, my suggestion will be, while attending interview, minimum do 5 times revision every topic actually. 5 times what exactly, sir? Revision every topic. That literally helps actually, right? Without preparing, please don't give an interview. That is my suggestion, please. It's very easy. We would have an interview discussion. These are all things actually. Let's move on. Come on. Look at the output, sir. Come on, come on. Look at the output actually. Can somebody talk with me? Date. What is the date actually? 09/01/2019. iPad actually. What is this one? iPad. Okay. How many sold out? One actually. Let us do validate. iPad, right? Now come here. Open the data set. Where is iPad? iPad. Exactly. Means first column name is a date. Customer client is asking, based on date wise, I need product count. Best example, sir. Customer is asking, Monday, what is the products? Tuesday, what is the total products? Wednesday, what is the total products actually? Client may ask based on day wise, based on month wise, based on quarter wise, based on hour wise also. Based on what exactly? Hour wise. Now let us just try to understand based on day wise. Based on what exactly? Day wise actually. So and so date 09/01/2019 iPad. How many? One. Cross verify. Just cross verify. iPad. What is the date? 09/01/2019. How many? One actually. Okay, very good. This is very easy actually. Good. Go to the second one. 09/02/2019 LG washing machine. Go back to the LG washing machine. This one also 09/02. What exactly? 2019. Now this is seriously interesting, sir. 09/06 total 09 on what exactly? 06. Sir, how many business actually? On an average, three products sold out. Am I right or not, sir? How many products? Three products. What is the first one? Kindle Paperwhite, sofa set, iPhone 8. Means whenever you are talking about the so and so day, Kindle Paperwhite, how many? Two. Sofa set, how many? One. iPhone, how many? One actually. Seriously super. This is seriously very good group by operation actually. Just we are getting the data, we are applying group by. We are applying what exactly? Group by actually. When I say group by, always the left hand side is the unique value. Always left hand side is what exactly? See, Kindle Paperwhite only one time came actually. Next one, Daniel, only what exactly? One time came. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Go back and understand this data set actually. Good. Sir, there are, yes, of course, Kindle Paperwhite two products actually. Here also we do have, here also we do have, but this is sold out on so and so day. How many products actually? Two products. This is sold out only one product on what date actually? 10/31/2019. Let me tell you very clearly actually. Sir, first one, what is the one, month value? What value? Second one, day value, something like a date value actually. What is the third one actually? Do let me know. Year value. Am I right or not? Date having the different formats actually. First of all, did you understand this output? Are you ready? Good. Let me load the data set. Import pandas as PD. DF equals to 1 minute. Online team, are you following, sir? Can I get a response? Dinesh, there are few algorithms. Sorting techniques, bubble sort, when you apply, we will get some customization logic we need to write, sir. But let me tell you, one of our teammate, what is asking, yeah, good. Let me tell you. One of our teammate, Dinesh only, he's asking, I have given an interview. I mean, many online team, you guys, I have given an interview, and they're asking some questions actually. They're asking what exactly? Some questions. But let me tell you, with my experience, I'm telling, if you're attending on an average 25 interviews, how many interviews, sir? 25 companies actually. Keep in mind that not all companies will conduct the slip test actually. On an average, 2 to 3 companies. On an average, how many companies actually? 2 to 3 companies. They will ask kind of some test actually. What is that one? Test. Test in the sense they will give some questions, especially product-based companies. What based company? When you are talking about the software company, two types of company. One is service-based company. Next one is product-based company, like Amazon, Google, Cerner company, Target company. These are all product-based company. TCS, Infosys, Wipro. These are all service-based company. What companies? Service-based company. Product-based company, they will ask a kind of some slip test actually, but still you can ignore. This is not that much important. But if you're talking about the other companies, if you're talking about what exactly other company, there is a screening round. First of all, they will cross verify your communication skills, how good you are actually. Next one, they will directly attack with what exactly, theoretical discussion. What discussion? If you are very good in that, then automatically 90% chances are there. They're going to pull you actually. Best example, sir. Assuming that Daniel having own software company. What company? Own software company actually. I do have a $1 billion project. Billion dollars project actually. Then on an average, immediately, I'm looking for 50 members actually. I'm looking for what exactly? 50 members. Keep in mind that I don't want to make it the test will be very complex actually. How many members I need? Do let me know. 50 members actually. You know what? Getting the 50 members from the market is too difficult. Let me repeat one more time. Getting 50 members, that too, I'm looking for experienced people. I'm looking for what exactly? Experienced. On an average, overall having 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 3 year experience. I need those candidates actually. Then immediately I need to talk with the HR. Kindly please recruit who are all having 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year actually. And I need those employees immediately. Then 2 years of people, 3 years of people getting from the market is too difficult actually. That's why all software companies is allowing, if anyone is adding experience also, it is okay actually. That's what. Are you getting or not, sir? This official I should not discuss actually. If you are adding experience, that is okay, acceptable actually. But ensure that you should maintain the proper documents actually. Guys, are you getting everyone? Yeah, go. One day I will explain. 50 members. Now I'm looking for what I'm looking for, 10 members, something like a freshers. 20 members, 2 years of experience. Remaining 20 members, on an average, 3 plus experience. How many plus experience actually? 3 plus experience. Best example, who done graduation before 3 years. Now it is great opportunity. What opportunity, sir? Great opportunity for me. You know what? I never do the BGV, like a background verification. Ultimately, I do have what kind of project actually? $1 billion project. Either I'm going to finish that one or not. That really matters actually. Yes, are you getting or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. But anyway, as I told you, we do have a interview discussion. What discussion actually? If you are attending that interview discussion, I'm sure you can crack. Cracking interview is very easy, sir. It's like a bread and butter actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Let's move on. Where are we? Okay, this result we are going to see. Can somebody talk with me? Group by flow, I wanted to hear from you. What flow actually? Group by flow. Group by flow. Group by flow. Group by method flow. Tell me, what is a method flow actually? So tell me, sir. Data. Next one, splitting the data. Next one is, come again, applying operations. What is the next one? Combined result. Next one, group by object. What is the next one, sir? B should be capital. Group by object. You have to talk with me. uh, df dot group by method. Df dot what exactly? Group by method. Method returns what object? Group by object actually. Group by object. I hope we have seen practically. All right, let's move on. Now this example we need to understand. Now first of all, understand the syntax. Very easy. Understand the syntax. Let us load the data set and print the data frame. Print what exactly? Data frame. Data frame name is a, let us make it df only. Now run this example. Good. Sir. Let us move on. Now, what is my requirement? Based on date wise, product name count. What is that one? Based on date wise, product name count any actual. I mean to say that so and so data, how many products? So and so data, how many products? I need to count actually like this. Then what you need to do, first of all, what are all column names you need actually? That list you need to prepare. Now get ready. Something like a equals to, I'm preparing like this. What I'm preparing actually, sir, can somebody help me? Columns equals to, what is this one? Date. Next one is a product name. These two are the name of the columns inside data frame. Am I right or not? Am I right or not, sir? I wanted to print all these name of the columns. How to print? df dot columns. Good. Print of df. Execute this example. Hey, we already printing, right? Let's move to the next operation. Group df1 dot group by. Df1 dot what exactly? Group by. Here you need to apply columns. Here you need to apply what exactly? Columns. Hold on. Understand the syntax. Take this one. Take this one. Focus on the syntax, sir. If you want, I can write the code actually. Df dot group by. Df dot what exactly? Group by actually. Group by. And here you need to provide columns. What we need to provide? Columns. Whenever you are calling the group by, it returns what exactly? Group by object. Now let us just try to take the result will be what exactly? B. If you want, let us just try to print what exactly, sir? B actually. Get ready. Yeah, interesting. This is the data frame. This is what exactly? Data frame group by object. What exactly? Group by object actually. Now, if you are looking for this kind of result actually, can somebody tell me what is the first column name? What is the first column name? Data. That one you need to specify here, sir. That one you need to specify here actually. Then finally you need to call a method. What is that method name? What is the method name? Count actually. Now just try to come here. What you need to specify? data. Hold on for some time. Can somebody tell me this kind of syntax? Have you seen ever in a Python? Where we have seen any idea? Providing like this, we applied in Python in one place actually. Where we have seen any idea? It's okay. If you're unable to answer also, it is okay. Give me one stone actual, I will hit like this. My head actually. To print single columns, good sir. But yeah, nice. You tried actually, but in Python I'm asking. Where we applied this kind of syntax? One object of square bracket, something. Come again? Come again? Nested list. Sorry, sir. Well try. Well try. Good try. If your answer is wrong, also I can appreciate actually. Why? Because you tried at least. Let me check with online team. Nested list value. Sir, that's what I got to answer actually. Sriram sir. I can say one thing. Sriram sir is up to date with the subject actually. Do you know how to capture the values actually from the dictionary? Dictionary of square brackets, that key you need to provide. Dictionary of square brackets, that key we need to provide. Am I right or not, sir? If you want, let me show you small cinema. Hold on. Take this example separately. Otherwise, open a command prompt. Here I can write actually. Sriram sir, very good. I can appreciate you actually. Py d equals to, let me create a dictionary. Name Daniel. Next one. Salary 10,000. Can I say this is the dictionary? Very good. Can I say df of, and here I'm just trying to provide what exactly? Name actually. Yeah. Now you have to compare this syntax and today this syntax actually. I'm sure you'll understand what is going on actually. That comparison really matters. You have to map like that actually. Assuming that this is some simple dictionary object, over the dictionary object you are applying key. Over the dictionary object you are applying what exactly? If you want to go back, and here you can just try to write a date here actually. And now let us just try to write some date. Now d of what exactly? Can somebody help me? Date. Perfect. I hope you got it actually. Like that you need to. That's what I told. Be strong in. Be strong in Python, sir. Simple. Yeah. Come on. Date we are applying. Yes, we are getting this object actually. Over this one, let me apply count. Over this one, let me apply what exactly? Count actually. Good. Can I tell a small example today? Sir, I appreciate you, sir. Seriously. Very good. And nice response on time actually. Nice response on time. On time. On time response, literally very good. Sir is having really, you know about Sriram, sir. He's having sound experience in IT. I'm sorry. Hey, 1 minute. I didn't notice this. Sir, let me hold the session for 1 minute. One of our teammate actually. Let us just try to teammate. Teammate. I just wanted to understand this one. And sir, I have a complaint. I have a complaint. Okay. This is the second sentence. From you are continuously concentrating on online team, concentrating on the, okay, it might be offline team. You're not sorry, please. Not continuously concentrating on online team. At least two or three, we need to ask the questions. Then only you are replying actually. It's okay. All right, fine. I'm sorry, boss. I'm sorry actually. I'm trying my best. You know, I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. And would you have a best time within 1.5 hour? I'm trying my best to deliver the session. If I'm unable to satisfy, I mean to say that in terms of technically, do let me know. I can help you. Fine. Let me focus on online team also. I'm extremely sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Okay. Let's move on to the discussion.
Off online team, I'm back actually. I like online team very well actually. So let me tell you, this is a here onwards. Let me focus on online team also. Good. Yeah. Now back to the session. Very good, sir. Nice. Who is asking? Sir, very good. Whenever you're talking about the sum is recommended apply over what exactly, price. These are all count. I mean, where are all multiple values would you have in terms of the integer? There we can apply actually. Still, we can apply sum also. We'll see accordingly. Okay. Can I run this example? Are you ready? Sir, from this result, we are going to get a nice report. We are going to get what exactly? Thus, that report is going to talk with you based on date wise product sales. Based on what exactly? Date wise product sales. Now, just try to come here. Based on date wise product sales count actually. Product sales, what exactly? Count. Now, get ready to understand. Run this example. Wow, such a nice result, sir. See, this is the input. From this input, we are getting this output actually. From this input, we are getting what exactly? This output. Seriously, very good. Now, Amazon owner will understand very clearly. On which day more business actually? Can I say this day is the more business? Yeah, this day. And next one is what exactly? This day also. How many? How many actually? Four. And here also how many? Here also four only. That's seriously very good. And on an average, so and so day, on an average, only one product sold out actually. This day also only one product. And what is this today business also? Do let me know. One day product actually. Only one thing is sold out actually. Did you understand? Now here you need to understand small one points are very very important interview question. Please look at this one. Can somebody tell me? Look at this one. Important. If you are coming to my panel actually, if I am taking interview, I will ask this type of question. What is the written type? Any idea? Nice. What is it? What is the result actually? Yeah, it may be confuse us. We may think like it is a data frame. We may think like it is what exactly? Data frame actually. But frankly speaking, what it returns, series. What it returns? Series. Let me tell you. You may think like you mean to say you have given wrong definition. If I say series, how many columns it is having actually? One column. But let me tell you, sir. Very, very important. Please focus. Let us take a series object. What object actually? Series object. Inside series, only single column data. Inside series, what exactly? Single column data. Sir, let us take the same series object actually. You know what? Inside series, still it is capable to store single column wise data actually. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, like this actually. This is something like a nested series. What is that one? Did you understand? I hope you're getting. Now just try to come here. Of course, column number 1, 2, 3, we may think this is the data frame, but it is written what exactly, sir? Series it is written. Let me talk with online team. Online team, are you getting? Can I get a response? Are you getting everyone? Online team, can I get a response? Are you getting everyone? Hold on. One of our teammate. Sir, I'm unable to understand what actually group by is doing on the data in very simple terms. Can you please explain in one shot actually? It's a very simple boss. The one who asked this question, 623, since a long actually. I hope now understood. It's okay. Then let's delete this. Let me move on to the next discussion. Good. Sir, I have a question for you. Get ready. What is the question? Here we have taken, that's what, as I told you, whenever you are understanding the group by, first of all, understand the syntax. Understand what exactly? One more small suggestion I'm giving. Group by topic, I'm requesting at any cost. Today only do the practice. I'm requesting. Why? Because if you are skipping today, sorry, sir, you will forget tomorrow actually. Why? Because a kind of some complex syntax. What syntax? but there is no complex. You may feel like it is a complex actually, but everything is a splitted. We done postmortem. Step by step, I explained actually something like this. Did you understand? Right. So anyway, 6:52. Let us continue from here tomorrow actually. As I told you, this is the 2 day session, and which is really interesting. Tomorrow we are going to close the group by, and we are entering into joining, merging. These are all discussion actually. Did you understand? Group by topic is important. I request you do practice today only. Only group by. Only group by actually. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, sir. Oh, nice, sir. You mean to say here? You mean to say this one or else this one actually? This one, sir. Good question, but I didn't try. Okay, let us try with the tuple also. We'll see accordingly. Okay, if you want, I can give tuple also. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. No, sir, it is not accepting. We are getting key error. We are getting what exactly? It is accepting only list actually. Yeah, let me tell you. But if it is a single column, and here if it is accepting tuple actually, then like this we need to provide. Did you understand? Then it may get a somewhat confusion. Instead of that one, it is accepting list of single column. What column? List of single column. Keep in mind that list data structure is the more and more usage actually. Out of 100%, 99%, the real-time data structure is very common usage. What is that one? List data structure. Okay. Sir, did you understand? Yeah, good. Kindly please remind me. Uh, Sir, you're right actually. Is group by same as SQL group by? Yes, almost similar actually, isn't it? Then let me upload. I got a one suggestion. If you can share the material before the class only, it will be helpful. Sure, sir. Let me upload all in one shot now. Let me upload actually. Very good. I can take this. I will take suggestions actually. You can suggest anything, not only everyone actually. I will take that suggestion and I will work out. Now itself, let me upload all material. It is okay. Definitely one time practice is really required for you. Give me a few minutes. Let me upload the material. Data analysis, group by. Sir, any data set? Do I need to upload any data set? Yeah. And running nodes data set. Let me upload these two also. I will take interview discussion also. Please, I'm requesting without proper preparation. Please, I request you kindly please avoid interview discussion actually during the session. Go back and running nodes. Come here. You can take it out. This one. Now next nodes also let me upload. What is the next topic? Joining and merging, I guess. Sir, we are almost very near to close the pandas. In another 4 to 5 sessions, then we can close the pandas discussion. Concatenation. files during session I can upload, like a sales CSV file during session I can upload. As of now, let me upload material. It is okay. Good one. Concat, adding, dropping, and rows. Very, very important. Yeah, other faculty is waiting. Let me upload last two more topics actually. Tomorrow I can upload. Is it fine? Yeah, we done for today's session. Thank you for attending, everyone. As usual, you can upload the running notes. Yeah, sure, sir. Sriram, sir, that is fine. Yeah, we done for today's session. Please take care, everyone. Okay, thank you.